This 2024 Holiday Rambler Admiral 29M is a Class A RV. It is located in Raleigh, North Carolina 27,610 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Raleigh. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features a Camelback, Elevate interior, sleeps 7, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2024 Holiday Rambler Admiral 29M is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.